Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different and I'm going to be talking about 3 cryptocurrencies to buy other than Bitcoin. And so if you enjoyed this content, please hit the like button, I really appreciate it. Also, if you have other cryptocurrencies that you feel that I missed, please leave them in the comments below, I'd love to hear from you. And so let's get started. The first thing I would like to take a look at is the Bitcoin chart here. And so we can see that Bitcoin rose up to almost $58,000. And then it has dropped down to below 50,000. It was at 43,000 and then it has come back up. And so today Bitcoin is up 7%. It is almost up to $51,000. And so I think that Bitcoin is going to continue here. As we can see, when it first ran up, it ran up to almost $42,000 and then it did consolidate back down to 28,000. And so since then it did continue, and so I think the same thing is going to happen here as well. And so we are consolidating very similar to what is below down here. And so once this breaks out, I can see it continuing to go up. And so that is something to keep in mind. And so the first coin that I would like to take a look at is Binance coin, which is number 3 currently. The symbol on that is BNB. And as you can see, their circulating supply is shown that it is 154 million. And then they do have this asterisk after it. And so as a lot of you are familiar with Bitcoin, you can actually mine Bitcoin, and whether that's Riot, Mara, all these other different companies on the stock market that are mining Bitcoin, and so you can mine Bitcoin. However, these cryptocurrencies with the asterisk next to them cannot be mined, and so that is all that there is out there for circulating supply. And so let's get into it. Let's take a look at the chart here for Binance coin. And so as you can see, this coin has gone up substantially, and it did go up to almost $350. Since then it is consolidating, and I have drawn this in yellow here. This is a bullish flag pennant that is forming, and so if this does break out to the upside of this, I think Binance coin will continue to go up. There are many other reasons that I am very bullish on Binance coin, and so I'd like to take a look at those as well. So one thing I'd like to take a look at here is the coin burn for BNB. They do something different than a lot of different cryptocurrencies, and so like I stated before, that you cannot mine BNB. There is no more to be mined. Their supply from their initial coin offering is 200,000 coins, and so they plan on burning 50% of them. And so that means getting rid of them and actually decreasing the supply by 50%. And so they recently have had their last coin burn on January 19th, and they have burned 3.6 million coins. And so that has dropped their supply of BNB from 174 million to approximately 170 million. And so here's the different burns you can see that they have done over the past 3.5 years. And so they are mentioning here that they are still planning on committing to burn 100 million BNB, or half of the total supply. However, this is somewhat slow, or at least slower than what they anticipated originally. And so they are looking at speeding this up. So they have burned 13% of the promised amount, and they are looking at increasing the rate at which they are burning, because if they stick with the rate that they have, it will take 27 years to finish the burn. And so they are not 100% sure at which rate they're going to increase it to. However, they are hoping to have it done within the next 5 to 8 years to finish the 100 million burn of the BNB coin. And so they are still sticking with that. And so I think this is a very bullish point, since the supply is going to go down. If the demand stays the same or increases, the price is going to increase as well. And so I think this is why I'm so bullish on this coin. And so another thing I'd like to take a look at as well in the cryptocurrency space is Coinbase announcing that they're going to be going public through an IPO. And so they have been valued at roughly $100 billion. And so that would make this direct listing the largest tech debut since Facebook. And so this is very big for Coinbase. However, I would like to compare this to Binance. And so I'd like to go back to this cryptocurrency exchange here and take a look at the comparison between the two. And so as you can see, here's Coinbase Pro. They are currently trading volume in the last 24 hours is $2 trillion. However, Binance's is roughly 17 billion. And so that is almost 8 times as much more volume than Coinbase. And as you can see, they also have a lot more coins that I have mentioned in the past. And so Coinbase has 46 and Binance has 337. I'd also like to mention that if you are interested in signing up for Binance, there is a link below. If you want to check that out, you can sign up and get access to a lot of these different coins. And so the next coin that I'm going to be talking about is ICX. This is Icon. It is currently trading around $1.89, and it is up 5.74% for the day. And so as you can see, this coin did hit $2.50 a few weeks ago, and now it is trading at $1.89 as I mentioned. And so I think this coin has a lot of potential. I'd like to take a look at it on CoinMarketCap. And so as you can see here in the graph, this coin was trading around $10 and is now trading just under $2. And so this is one of the only coins that I have not really seen fully recover from the 2017 bull run of Bitcoin or even exceed it. And so I think this coin is still very undervalued. Let's take a look even at the volume down here. We can see the volume spike back in 2017, and then we can see a lot of the volume now. And so it seems like there's almost more volume now than there was in 2017. However, the coin is still trading right around $2. And so this is definitely something to watch out for. I think this coin is going to run substantially in the next week or so. And so I'd also like to take a look at this news here. This is something from Icon's Twitter account that they released on March 4th. And so Daniel, a payment leader in Korea with over 5 billion USD market share and an Icon public representative, has outlined plans for Pay Protocol's partnership with UnionPay, the largest card company in the world, in its 2021 Icon integration. And so Daniel has already partnered with Icon. They do allow payments for 60,000 merchants through them. However, they are now partnering with UnionPay, which is the largest card company in the world. And so I think this is going to provide a lot of potential for Icon in the future. And so this may explain why the volume is up so much, but the price has really not been reacting to it. And so I think in the next week we are going to see a big upside for ICX. And so the last cryptocurrency I would like to talk about is Ethereum. This is the second largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin. And as you can see in the chart here, it did run up to over $2,000. It has dropped down and has been consolidating over the past few days. And it is up almost 6% today. And so it is trading right around $670 right now. And so I do see a lot of upside for this, especially as they come out with Ethereum 2.0, which is supposed to have much less fees and supposed to be quicker, since that is a lot of the complaints about Ethereum currently. And so Ethereum is a platform coin. A lot of the smaller altcoins are built upon this platform. And so I think if those smaller altcoins will succeed, then I think they're going to feed down back to Ethereum, and then Ethereum is going to grow since that is the platform they are built on. So I think there is a lot of potential for this coin. It does not look like it is doing much now. However, I think there's a substantial amount of upside for Ethereum. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button as it really helps out the channel. And if you have not subscribed already, please do that as well. As I mentioned before, if you would like to sign up for Binance, where I buy a lot of these coins, there is a link below. I would appreciate if you use that. And I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.